Hey there YouTube, this is Dr. Greenfun here. So I'm showing you about 6 months afterwards of my tattoo removal, do-it-yourself tattoo removal with dry ice. So basically scarring was pretty minimal, a little bit right there and by the band, and as you can see there's some lettering still there. But for the first treatment, I figure it's pretty good. I'm going to do a second treatment on it, and I'm going to make a video on that as well. And show you how to do it. Keep in mind that this was my first time trying to do something like this, and it worked fairly well considering it was an all-black tattoo. It's that thickness, and the majority of all the lettering came out, so we'll see what the next video will be like. Keep in mind it did blister up quite a bit. It made kind of like an indentation, and it's filled up now, but it was definitely something I would not recommend doing this anywhere else on your body, because it's basically giving yourself frostbite, and anywhere else you could die from, because let's say if there was a vein somewhere in your hand there and you put dry ice on that, you could potentially destroy your vein and then cause an infection to go in your bloodstream and go into your heart and die. So I wouldn't recommend doing it anywhere there's veins or muscles or organs. Just maybe your extremities, and even then, you have to be very careful, because you can lose your finger doing something like this if you're not careful. So yeah, didn't really hurt or anything. It just took a while to heal. So that's my video on that first treatment. And again, like I said, I'm going to do another video in the future when I have a good few days for this to heal, because I can't have any kind of wound or anything. It didn't leave a wound, but it had a big blister, and I eventually popped it, and then I kept the skin intact and wrapped it every day with bandage and triple antibiotic, and used some hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, basically all the little first aid things to help prevent infection. Did not get infected. The other video where you saw the scab coming off, it came off completely. There were no words or anything there, and then that E was there, except everything else kind of just started showing up little by little. But considering, some of the band on the bottom came off. And so I think the next time it'll be a little bit smarter way. Alright, so stay tuned, guys. Alright.